Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use Primetime Boost on Tinder using a phone. Let's get started. First, open the Tinder app on your phone and make sure you are logged in to your account. Next, look for the boost icon on the main screen. It usually looks like a lightning bolt. Tap it and you will see the option to use your boost on Primetime Boost. Then select Primetime Boost. This feature shows your profile to more people during the busiest hours on Tinder, increasing your chance of matches quickly. After that, confirm and activate your Primetime Boost. You will see a timer showing how long your boost will be active. During this time, your profile is shown on more users nearby. Finally, stay active and swipe while your boost is running. Responding to new matches quickly increase your chances of connecting with people who like your profile. And that's it. Open Tinder app, tap the boost icon, select Primetime Boost and activate it. And stay active. Follow these steps and you will get more matches faster on your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.